welcome back to my online classes vlog. It's week 7. Today is September 23, Wednesday. It's 11:52 and I'm actually about to eat my first meal of the day. This is from Kimono Ken. I have katsudon. So yeah, take out lang. But anyways, this week I'm excited to vlog actually kasi parang last week di ako masyado nag-vlog kasi if you guys saw my past video naman na I was busy with doing art stuff and I just kind of wanted to take like a short break from online classes vlogs since feel ko yun yung always kong ina-upload, so I tried to upload a different content naman. But anyways, now we are back and actually medyo chill lang this week. Puro kailangan gawin is fitness training, so probably this week I'll finally bring you guys along with me as I do PE, so yung makikita niyo ako mag-workout and do all those, you know, fitness stuff. This week kasi parang may group work, tapos meron rin pair na workout, so yun yung gagawin namin, parang mag-video call kami, workout together, video, and then submit it to our prof. Tapos next week, finals week na, so patapos na yung term, you guys. Grabe ang bilis. I also made my to-do list na pala the other day, or yesterday ata to. So I basically have created 2 modules, module 9 and 10. Nagawa ko na yung module 9. I also have Contemporary World, which is a concept map. I did this, I think, last week. So I'm already done with that. For fitness training, medyo madami siya, guys. Ayan o, yung red. So I'm not gonna read it out loud kasi ang dami niya. For fine arts, I have 2 quizzes, Philo of Art Quiz 1 and 2. I actually did this na yesterday, so I'm done with that na rin. NSCP, we have Module 6 Campaign for Drug Prevention. Later pala ng 1:30, I have a Zoom meeting or Zoom class for civil welfare. So, yun, basically yun yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Yung iba ginawa ko na kasi ginanahan ako gawin pero I wasn't vlogging that time. So, I'm just gonna vlog yung mga mabavlog ko na lang. I hope you still guys enjoy this. Update you guys, I'm done eating and I have about an hour before my NSCP class starts, so I decided to be productive and finish my creed para tapos na ako because this is the last module na lang for this term kasi next week yun nga, finals na. Gonna be missing my prof here sa creed kasi super duper bait ni Sir Roque. But anyways, module 10 is about resurrection of the body and life everlasting, so madaming video material sa Google Drive namin, so I'm gonna be watching those right now and then start my essay kasi it's just a 1-page, so it's pretty easy and it's mostly like opinionated. Super bait talaga ni Sir Roque kasi yun na, kahit anong sulatin mo, mataas grade mo. So may, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing this and let's see if I can do other stuff pa. If not, edi wala after this, NSTP class na. Guys, so it's 1:07. I just submitted my creed module 10 essay, so I am gonna be checking that off my to-do list. So yung fitness training obviously di ko yun magagawa tomorrow and on Friday pa, but I also have NSTP, yung campaign for drug prevention. But since my next class is NSTP, I feel like ma'am will be discussing this there, so I might not do it muna. I'll probably just read the module, but I won't like literally do it. Baka after class na lang para sure kasi baka mas may explain pa si ma'am or may other details na kailangan malaman. So yeah, I'm just gonna be chilling for 23 minutes before classes starts. And yeah, I'll just update you guys once classes starts. Around 3 PM and my NSTP class just finished, so super tagal niya today, like I don't know, parang ang haba ng class niya, but basically we talked about drugs and we also watched like a documentary video, so that's it. Siguro I'm gonna do the NSTP later night or about tomorrow na lang, and I'll also be doing fitness training stuff. So basically that is it muna for today's online classes vlog. I'll just talk to you guys again tomorrow because I have to do stuff for art. So yeah, bye! Good morning, you guys. So today is Thursday, September 24, 10:24 in the morning. So I'm up early because today is our group workout for fitness training. So mag-workout tayo today. I think we're gonna be doing it through Google Meet. Then I'm gonna record our whole workout. Tapos yun yung isa-submit namin for this week's PA log. I feel like it's also the pair workout. So 2 PA logs ata ang gagawin this week. So yung by pair, tomorrow naman namin gagawin afternoon, which I'll also be vlogging that. So I'll show you guys my workout outfit. Sorry for the morning face. I just literally like woke up, washed my face and brushed my teeth. So anyways, this is our workout outfit. Super basic lang, just Nike t-shirt and then Under Armour leggings, and then kailangan kasi naka-leggings or joggers, bawal shorts. So that's why this is the outfit. So we're already in the Google Meet and this is our workout. So it's medyo mahaba. And yeah, we're gonna start in a bit. I think we're just waiting for someone pa. So yeah. So I look so haggard, but I'm doing the workout on my own pace because my Wi-Fi is so laggy. So right now I'm supposed to do one set of 5 minutes na jog and play. So it's so weird, but yeah, let's go. So sweaty na. Water break muna guys. Okay guys, so I'm so sweating as you guys can see, but right now we're about to do another jog in place for this time for the second set. 7 minutes naman, so I have my timer here. 7 minutes on the clock. Let's go! Guys, finally done working out. It's now 12:24 and I'm about to take a shower na because I feel so sweaty and haggard and I don't want to show you guys this super haggardness face. So I'll talk to you guys after I take a bath. What is up, you guys? It's Friday, September 25. It's currently 12:38 in the afternoon. Yesterday I didn't get to vlog. I'm so sorry about that. But today we're gonna be allotting it for ACADS talaga because finals week na next week. Ayoko naman mag-pile up lahat ng kailangan kong gawin. So today, hindi naman masyado mahirap yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Pero you know, medyo tinatamad ako, but I'm gonna push myself. And then later afternoon, mag-workout rin ako with my pair naman. Kasi yesterday, group workout. And then today, pair workout naman. And then we have to video it. Because we're also supposed to make a workout log. Yung workout log from yesterday, di ko pa ginagawa. So I have to do that then later. Baka tonight na lang. Not quite sure. So anyways, before we start with academics, I wanted to share with you guys my new online classes finds na I think it's really an essential and I feel like it will also be useful for you guys. These ones from Bostik, these are their Blue Tack original reusable adhesive, and then meron rin ako nung color version. So ito makulay. Tapos ito yung parang standard color nila. So box kasi to, pero pag in-open mo siya guys, ito yung lalabas. 10 packs. So this one is for the original one na nagamit ko na, and then this one is the color one. So I think mas okay to pang kids, or kung mahilig talaga kayo sa colorful stuff, okay to sa inyo. The reason why nagustuhan ko siya is because, you know, sometimes may mga to-do list tayo na hindi lang natin kailangan sulatin kasi we don't always read our notebook. So it's nice to have like something placed on the wall na nakikita mo. But at the same time, ayaw mo naman siya i-tape kasi kunwari tape, minsan diba nasisira niya yung wall nyo. So if you use this one, hindi siya ganon. So I'll show you guys an example. So here's my wall right now. Meron lang ako dinikit na dalawang paper from math and then from contemporary world. So basically, dinikit ko siya using Bostik's Blue Tack. Yan guys, oh. And pag tinanggal mo siya, di naman siya masisira. And it's also reusable. So if you guys are interested, I'll be leaving all the details down below so you guys could check out where to buy and how much ganyan. So yeah, check it out guys. Super duper love it. Also pala guys, at the back of the packaging, it also says the different uses of Blu Tack. So you could use it to hold the party decorations, posters, and photographs like what I showed you guys kanina, and then create and play. So for kids, pwede siya. That's why I was telling you guys, kung mahilig kayo sa arts and crafts or pag mga bata, mas okay yung color kasi, you know, it's really eye-catching. And it also cleans keyboards. So kunwari sa laptop nyo, you guys could use this one to clean yung mga dust or yung maliliit na dirt na hindi nyo makuha. You can use this one. I'll show you guys in a few. And then it also holds down desk accessories. So example, itong phone stand ko, tapos ayaw ko lang siyang gumagalaw. Like I want it to stay in place. I can definitely use it for this one. And then you can also clean fabric. And then holds down phones and holds screws to screwdrivers. So madami talaga siyang uses guys. Yan. So super cute oh. Parang siyang clay rin eh for kids. And then ito lang yung ginagamit ko. So I use it for school purposes pag may mga kailangan akong gawin, or if meron akong nagawa, isi-stick ko lang siya sa wall. So yeah, anyways, let's start na talaga with the school stuff. Okay, so I'm done doing my NSTP poster, which is about drug awareness. So Mom sent us like a template for like the drug campaign thingy kasi we have to make a poster and then parang a chart which talks about the title, setting, audience, and synopsis of the program. So ito siya guys. Can you guys see? So I'm just gonna copy the template and then paste it on another Word file, and then I'm going to be adding my poster, which is this one. Yun yung ginawa ko. If you guys are wondering, I always make my posters through Canva. So it's a website, it's free lang. It's super duper easy to use, and ano pa ba? Yeah, there's a lot of templates, so if you want your presentations or posters, pictures to look cuter, I definitely recommend that. So anyways, I'm gonna do the template now, so Word, and get back to you guys afterwards. Update you guys, so I just finished doing my NSTP drug awareness campaign. So yeah, nasubmit ko na nga siya, and right now I still have to do other stuff for NSTP kasi may kulang pa ako sa discussion part. So if you guys also use Canvas for your school, then you guys are probably familiar with it. But if you guys aren't, I'll show you guys ano yung mga kulang ko and ano yung discussion part na sinasabi ko para mag-gets yun naman. So yeah, let's do that para tapos na ako for NSTP. Okay, so this is my Canvas. I'm currently in the discussions part that I was telling you guys. And dito ako may kulang. Yung synthesis, I'm done. Philippine Sea, hindi pa tapos. Plastic, I'm done. Disaster risk, I don't think I'm done with this. And thoughts on Philippine drug war, I'm also not done with these. So, I have to finish these today kasi ayoko na siyang patagalin. So, yeah, I'll probably start with Philippine Seas muna. Alam ko for this one, we're supposed to watch a video eh. So, yan yung mga questions. And we're supposed to, yan. Look at my classmates naman, ang haba ako. Wala pa akong sagot guys. So, let's start! Okay, time check you guys. It's now around like 6 plus in the evening, and change outfit because we're gonna be doing the pair workout naman. So I'm just wearing shirt and leggings. I'm just waiting for my pair kasi kakagawa niya lang ng group workout niya. So we're gonna be calling in a few and doing the workout, and then after this pair workout, I have to do another workout that I missed last week. So puro fitness training talaga yung vlog for this week. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for her and I'll update you guys again later, or baka I'm gonna just, you know, do montage lang while working out. So hey guys, so it is currently 8:02 in the evening. I'm done with the pair workout right now. I was actually about to go to the shower, but I realized hindi ko pa pala nagagawa yung PA Log 6, which is the workout last week. So kaya this week ko lang siya ginagawa because I wasn't feeling well. So I told coach na hindi ako makakasubmit. So kaya this week ko lang siya gagawin. And mabait naman si coach. She told me just to do 1 set and then 10 reps lang naman siya. So I'm gonna do these workouts. I'm just gonna insert it here. Yan yung gagawin ko. So hopefully mga 15 minutes lang to. So let's start! Hey guys, so update, it's now 8:57 and I just got out of the shower. So finally you guys, this is my to-do list for this week. Ang dami na akong na-check. Mostly everything na. I just have to like compile and send the link sa Canvas for the fitness training and stuff like that. But basically I am done for this week. Finally, and daming PE stuff, but next week is finals week, so let's see how my first finals in college will be like, taking you guys along with me again, of course. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to be part of the Lexinators fam. Anyways, I hope you guys are all staying safe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!